Your attention is your life. Take it back. You keep saying you don't have time, but the truth is simpler. You don't have attention. Your day isn't stolen in hours. Your day is stolen in fragments. 20 seconds here, 40 seconds there, until nothing deep survives. And then you wonder why you feel scattered, unmotivated, and behind. It's not because you're weak. It's because your mind is being trained to live at the surface. Every notification asks a tiny question. Leave what matters for what's loud. Most days, you say yes without noticing. Here's what happens inside your brain. Each time you switch tasks, you carry attention residue. It's a tiny film of the last thing you were doing. So even when you sit down to focus, part of you is still scrolling, replying, comparing. And you're not here. You're not there. You're nowhere. That emptiness you call burnout often starts as divided attention. Focus is not a talent. It's a decision repeated enough times to become a nervous system default. And yes, it will feel boring at first, because your dopamine receptors have been trained to expect fireworks. But fireworks doesn't grow anything. They just burn bright and leave smoke. Growth happens in quiet. Focus happens in quiet. Your life happens in quiet. Let's make this practical. Step 1. One screen, one tab, one task, 15 minutes. Not perfect, but present. Set a timer. Tell your brain, we're here until it ends. When you drift, return without drama. That's not failure. That's the rep. Step 2. Close the loops. Write down every open task pulling on you, like messages, bills, promises, chores. Pick 3 that move your life forward. Schedule the rest. Your brain relaxes when it knows everything has a place. Step 3. Remove the bait. Move all distracting apps off your home screen. Disable badges. Silence everything except calls from your inner circle. If an app makes money by consuming your attention, assume it was engineered to win. Take its weapon away. Step 4. Boredom reset. 10 minutes a day with no input, no music, no phone, no reading. Sit. Walk. Breathe. Let your reward system remember that calm is safe. This is how you repair your baseline. Step 5. Build a single daily stone. One meaningful block, 30 to 90 minutes. where you do the most important first thing before the world arrives. Protect it like a doctor protects surgery. Everything else is optional. This is how real progress compounds. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You don't need a non-negotiable container for deep work. Even 30 minutes is enough if it's whole. Because whole attention is rare. And rare attention changes everything it touches. You might say, "But my life is busy." Yes, of course. That's why you must choose what gets your full presence. Time management is secondary. Attention management is primary. Your calendar is a map. Your attention is the vehicle. Only one moves you. When to expect friction so you don't quit. From minute 0 to minute 3, your brain begs for novelty. Breathe and stay. Minute 7 to minute 10, you have an urge to check messages. Note it, but don't obey. At the 12-minute mark, the noise lowers. Thoughts line up. Keep going. At 15 minutes, a quiet gear clicks. This is the door to depth. If you stop here, you'll never trust yourself with big work. If you stay, your nervous system learns depth is safe. So what drains focus and how to fix it? Hidden tabs in your head. Unresolved decisions. Here's the fix. Decide now or schedule the decision. Number 2, guilt spiral productivity, where you're working to feel worthy, which is not effective. The fix is define done before you start. Stop when you reach your finish line. And number 3, identity mismatch. You're saying to yourself, "I'm a distracted person." Fix that by saying, "I keep promises to my attention," and behavior follows your identity. Keep in mind, the small contract changes everything. Say out loud every morning, "Today, I will give one thing my whole mind." Write that one thing. Set a timer and begin. You'll be tempted to add more, but don't. Excellence starts with enough. Not everything, but just enough. When you give something your full presence, a page, a workout, a conversation, you feel different after. Not hyped, but clean. That feeling is your nervous system telling you you're aligned with how your brain was built to operate. A single task, then rest. Cycles, not chaos. This is how energy returns. This is how self-respect returns. This is how motivation returns. Quietly, not like a tide. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Your attention is not a resource to be mined. It's a home to be protected. Guard its doors. Decide who gets in. And when you're inside, be fully there. You don't need endless time. unbroken presence. Give that to one thing today, and watch your life organize itself around the depth you create.